Hello. Today we are going to recover data from Hitachi 500 GB hard disk. This hard disk in clicking situation and we need to recover its data. As I mentioned in this document, the problem, the original head map and the tools that we need to repair and recover data from that hard drive. As you see, the hard drive is still in busy state. Now we need to remove PCB from HDA and connect just PCB.
First to disconnect the power.
Yes, we need to disconnect the power also. Now only the PCB is connected to this MRT tool.
Without HDA.
Yes, without HDA. After 2 to 3 minutes, it will give ready status. As you see, now we need to enter the utility of Hitachi IBM ARM series. Select the model. See, nothing is read because we just connected the PCB. Now we need to open edit and VRAM section where you see the original head map. Now as I told you that this hard drive has had 3 damage. Now it is same like WD head map in RAM. We can slightly change this 03 to the previous head number at 03 like I did. Now press OK and write it. Power off and connect the PCB to HDA again. Now I again power on the hard drive. Now wait until it shows the ready status. Now this hard drive shows ready status and gives you proper detection with 4 heads, but these 4 heads not in real because the head map tells you that head 4 not working. It loads the data from head 2 to stop clicking. As you see, the status is ready. Now after changing the head map, when we enter the utility, select model and press OK, you see it reads the data correctly but did not show any details. Don't worry about that, just exit the program and reopen it. Now in that situation, first of all, backup all of its module. These modules are not so important. These are DMP1 is for self-scan log and WRT is for something useful for heads, but it is not so important. Now open data extractor select the port, then utility option, make data copy. Now we need to use the active utility option so that it will assess the utility for data recovery, because we create head map. Now manually enter the capacity. Now the MRT company,
Excuse me.
yes,
You entered here the actual capacity of the hard drive, the original capacity of hard drive.
yes, the original capacity of patient hard drive.
Yeah, original capacity of patient hard drive.
Now this is the built-in function of MRT. Now there are two options: load from SA and load from a specified file. In Hitachi hard drive, these two modules are most important for data recovery: plist and RDMT. RDMT is for glist. Now we use load from specified file and give it a path where you save the hard drive original firmware. Now we are into the utility of data extractor. Now if we see any sector, you can view all the sectors and data is accessible. Now first of all, immediately create an head map and remove the faulty head from this head map. Yes, this data not show because the hard drive is not in its proper head map.
उसके साथ बोल, mark करके बोल. You are going to build the head map here again.
Yes,
Already?
this is head bitmap, not head map.
Okay.
The previous head map is head map of hard drive
Okay.
to make it in detection.
Okay.
Make its detection. This head map is for data recovery purpose, to ignore reading of damaged head. You can see now we select the good head.
My question
Now-
is my question is
Yes.
we need to create head map again for data extractor.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So it will, this head map arrange all the sectors.
With these three heads.
Yes, with these
They are in the
three heads.
access of these three heads.
Yes,
And now it will read
Now-
data from these three heads.
yes, these three heads, and when the hard drive goes to third head, it will skip all sector and read again data from head 0.
Okay.
Now in MRT there is some very useful function, fast copy. This is very good in that kind of data recovery. If it found any bad sector or bad area, it will immediately
Click on.
it will immediately make a decision. Either we need to skip that area,
Okay.
jump,
Yeah.
or try again. And the and MRT support the latest 4K device option. This hard disk from which we are going to recover data is 4K structure hard drive. Now for that hard drive we need to remove the power reset option.
Okay.
Now we need to press start copy to make the cloning of hard drive. As you see, the cloning start easily,
And I think you enable the.
and you need to wait until this cloning is completed.
Okay. I think you enable the reset option because of this HDD is with head map in RAM.
Yes,
It's
yes.
working.
No, not in head map in RAM, because we are using the active utility. If
If the
in some case,
if the power reset, we have to start again from
yes, we need to start this process again.
again exactly.
I hope you will like my videos.
And give me more advice if you need more.
Give me more
Exactly. Hit the box.
advice if you
By
need
advice of
more.
the comments की तरफ। खुदा की कसम भाई, इस दुनिया में आपका कोई